Hello everybody, what's the Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of video game lesson. So, before we get started, there are two things on Chainsaw. We'll start with this one. Just, if you guys are fan this way, don't forget to sign it and don't forget to take the next step like this. Just like this one. And to make an impact, there are two choices right here. This is her young ladies there. Don't forget to sign two things on Chainsaw for today, every day. Like this one. Speaking of this, I always signed this. Remember, so your support. This one, you guys are on something, so to reach out other people, that's all your choice. So yeah. Back into the video game lesson here. Remember, all these videos and this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please play all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time to watch yourself. There are a lot of upcoming games that coming out very soon. And not until next year or so. And also DLC as well. We gotta wait and see on it. Hold on for this moment. It could be take a lot of time. Remember to look up the name of the anime. No wait, the video game. Sorry, hold on for a moment. I met the game console. I am so sorry. Yes, there are some. Our favorite anime do have video game as well. I forgot to mention it. You guys might be know that. Okay, if I go too fast, please look it up on the name the game console for yourself. And one more thing, don't forget, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out by different game console here. We get started. And remember to comment the name of the game. It's your Twitter favorite. So go for it. If you guys had a question, comment. And also, don't forget to keep an eye on my the posts on this channel. And of course, don't forget to visit my second channel, Elizabeth Dawson, as well. Hold on just a moment again, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Alright. I am still working on it. I will see you in next video. We will be back to it as soon as possible. But bye.